welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. To the new ones here, I'm Swati and my channel is called Swati Lovely Life. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you're subscribing to my channel and hit on the bell icon to be notified on the latest videos that I upload. So guys, without further delay, let's get started with today's video. So guys, here I am to show a quick review of all the empties of this month. These are the empties I have where there are only a few products. The box looks big, don't get scared. Okay, so yes, I have a few products which I want to share a quick review, and maybe few reviews that I have already shared. My mind has changed regarding that particular product, even that I will be sharing. So yes, without further delay, let's get started guys. So the first product and the biggest product and my favorite product is this. You can see it's such a big bottle and I finished it all finally. It was 3 months that I was using this product and finally it's over. It's completely over guys, if you could see that. So yes, this is a very good and most economical moisturizer. It's the Ayur Herbal Moisturizer with wheat germ based moisturizer. It's for this was a 1 liter bottle. I got it just for 200 rupees on Amazon. So yes, this is the first product and I have been loving it. But yes, now that I have started a YouTube channel, I thought I should switch to a different moisturizer. I should try different moisturizers. So right now I'm trying the Good Vibes moisturizer, and at night I'm using the Bio Oil because I have got a few marks in my hands and legs due to chicken pox, and I heard that Bio Oil helps you get rid of the scars. So stay tuned, I will get back to you regarding the review, if it really worked on me, if it didn't work on me, everything will be shared. But as of now, regarding this, yes, it made my skin really soft, it made my skin feel moisturized, and it's a very light moisturizer. It doesn't make your skin feel very sticky. Yes, it did a good job as a moisturizer. So guys, I'm going to randomly pick whatever I'm going to get in my hand and I'm going to share the review. So yes, that's about it. The next product that I have here as a monthly empty is this Biotic Bio Bhringraj Therapeutic Oil for Falling Hair. This is how the product looks. This is a 200 ml bottle. I have shared a review on this product. I will link it right here one by one, all the videos that I have shared on the review. But yes, this I have purchased a refill. I am using this oil since a very long time and I don't plan to change my hair oil as of now because already my hair is damaged a lot. I mean, I don't want to try anything new when it comes to hair oil. So this is a hair oil. I have repurchased it as well, and in my previous video, haul video, I have shared with you guys my refill video as well. So yes, this is the next product and it's a very good product. If you have hair fall issues, go for it guys, just go for it. The third product I have with me is this Kaya Youth Oxy Infusion Face Wash for Daily Dose of Youth. So this is an anti-aging hair face wash. Yes, it was only a very little product that I purchased. This is a 50-gram product that you get and the price is 99 rupees. Well, this product was good. I liked it, but it makes, if you are someone with a dry skin, don't go for it guys. It makes your skin really very dry and you will feel that your skin getting dried out or your pores getting pulled up. In case you are someone with oily skin, then you can definitely try this. It really helps you guys. So this is the next product that I have, the Kaya Youth, a good one. For my skin it was a good thing. I have a normal skin, so it did work well. The next product I got was this one. It was Sample Scent by Purple. It's a Good Vibes Papaya Brightening Face Wash. Well, to share the review if it really works for your skin. If it doesn't work for your skin, this is too less the quantity. But I kept this because it has got very good smell. The smell is amazing, and if you are someone who likes to have good scented products, then you can go for this. It's a very nice smell, and if you are looking for a brightening effect on your face, you can definitely try this. I always have that bright face, so I don't look for brightening. Well, recently I have got a few breakouts. The only thing I look out for are products that would help me get rid of these blemishes, get rid of acne. So these are the products I look for. So this was a free product. Smell wise, I liked it, and it was a good purchase. And yes, the next product I have is this Patanjali Saundarya Aloe Vera Gel. It's only the plain aloe vera gel. This is how it is. I have used this in my hair packs, in my face washes. Amazing product, no second comment whatsoever. It's a best product I have tried as an aloe vera gel. This is really good, guys. The smell is good. It doesn't actually smell like real aloe vera, but the smell is nice, decent, and the product also is very good. I have applied it during my night skincare routines. It has worked really well. And the next product that I have is this Garnier Naturals Light Complete Serum Cream. It's a serum in the form of cream. And yes, I am done with the product. It's completely over. So yes, this was a very good product. I used to use it in my day skincare routine after my face wash and all of that. So this was the product that was amazing. Well, I don't know if it lightens your skin or something, but yes, it did give me a very good effect when it comes to my pimple marks. It lightened the pimple marks, and it felt fresh. Basically, whatever skincare and all you do, the basic need of the product is that you should feel that inner happiness, right? So yes, it did make me feel fresh, really nice, amazing feel. So yes, a thumbs up for this as well. It was a good product. Guys, whatever products I'm sharing with you guys today, all of these products have been reviewed already in my channel. You can go and check the reviews one by one. And guys, here I am. This product I have reviewed. I have shared it in the video where I shared the products that I regret buying. And here I am finished using the product as well. This is a pink colored product, guys. It's the Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Bio Peach Clarifying and Refining Peel Off Mask. Well, I am a fan of charcoal peel off mask, but yes, I have also used the Garnier Golden Glow Peel Off Mask. Then there was some, I don't remember, I think it was a Himalaya Orange Peel Off Mask. All of these products have worked really well for me. I love the way when I just apply it, wait for it to dry and then peel off. It feels really good, it's really refreshing. Guys, please guys, if you are sensitive to smell, if you don't like strong smells, anybody, please don't buy this product. This is one product I hate. I use a Biotic oil. This is really good. I have used Biotic shampoo, Biotic soaps. I am a fan of Biotic face washes. It's all really good. All of them are really good. But one product I would also recommend my viewers to not to buy is this. I don't know. It says it's a natural product. It's a therapeutic product. It's made of complete Ayurveda, but I don't think this is made of Ayurveda. This smelled like Fevibond. You know the smell of Fevibond or Fevicol, that strong smell. Just imagine you're applying it all over your face. You applied over here, your eye starts burning, guys. You applied over here, you feel that you're getting that cold. There is some liquid just coming out of your nose, and it's such a punishment for me. I just wanted to finish this off. That's the reason I have finished it. It was a punishment to finish off this. Trust me, I didn't want to. I don't throw out any products because we are privileged at the end of the day to get something for ourselves. Apart from the food, the shelter that we get, something extra we are getting, we are not supposed to waste it, is what I feel. So that's the only reason I applied this on my face, dried it off. This came for 2 use, and 1 use itself I was like, no, the second time, just for the sake of it, I finished it. It doesn't do anything to your skin. Okay, you bear all of that. If it really works on your skin, even this much, that's good. But this one did not do anything to my skin. It was just a waste of time, money, the patience, everything. So I would tell anyone a big no to this product. This is how the product look, guys. Usually peach is very good for your skin, is what they say. That's why I bought it, but no. I regret buying this. I would never ever buy this. I would never ever recommend anyone else to buy this. That's it. End of the story. Okay guys, so the next product I have here. This one I have reviewed in my channel. I have told you I have got good hair growth. Yes, I do agree that I have got hair growth because of this. These are the results of this hair serum. You are supposed to apply it on your dry hair and on your scalp as well. Whereas the serum, normal serums you get, you're not supposed to apply it on your scalp. But yes, I have finished this off whatsoever. It's not there. It's a blackish color of a liquid you get in this. I have finished it off finally. But yes, before the monsoon began, guys, it was really nice on my hair. I liked the way it felt. But once the monsoon began is where the problem started. I started having dandruff. I started, my hair started looking very dry, especially in the ends. It looked very dry, as if it is lacking all the nutrients. That's what it felt like. After the monsoons began. Maybe it's the weather or maybe it's a serum, because when I didn't apply the serum, I just stopped for some time. My hair was perfectly fine, but when I again started using this, again my hair went back to feeling dry. So my hair never usually felt dry in any of the seasons. That was the first time my hair felt dry. So that's the thing about this. I just shared the review before the monsoons began as well. It's there in my channel, where I actually appreciated this serum. Maybe I would buy this after the monsoons are over and try again if it really works for me, because monsoons and this combination doesn't seem to match. So yes guys, that's all for today. Those are the quick reviews I had to share along with this month's empty. Now I can just throw these away. I was waiting to shoot this video before I can get rid of all these empty packages. That's all for today guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please guys, please subscribe to my channel. Your subscription is a basic encouragement to me. When I see that my subscribers are increasing is when I feel that yes, I need to shoot the video. So yes, and if you are looking at the background, yes guys, it's raining cats and dogs since 2 days. And it's like non-stop raining. I couldn't shoot my videos. It was completely dark. I couldn't, and as you know, I'm a new YouTuber. I don't have the basic setup like the lights and all of that. So I was waiting for the weather to get back to normal. Even for 5 minutes, if it got back to normal, I was working. So I thought, okay, let me wait for the weather to get back, and didn't. 2 days it's been that I didn't shoot any videos. So I thought, okay, let me shoot now. Let me change the location. Let me set up something and shoot a video. So yes, here I am. I'm going to upload this video soon, and I'm finally satisfied that I'm done with the videos. Okay guys, yeah, getting back to the topic. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon to be notified on the latest videos. You can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is swatilovelylife_official. That is my Instagram handle. Follow me on Instagram so that you will be notified of the latest videos that I upload, just in case you don't get the notifications on YouTube. And if you still don't feel like subscribing to my channel, at least please let me know what made you think that you don't want to subscribe to my channel, so that I can work on it, I can improve. I know I'm not perfect. Okay guys, I was just shooting the video, my phone got switched off. Okay, so I thought just let me, in 5 minutes my work is going to start, so I thought just let me finish off with the video before, so I'm just keeping my phone on charge and I'm just shooting this video. So yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet guys, please make sure you're subscribing to my channel, because your subscription is a basic source of encouragement, just like I already told you. And if you haven't subscribed and still you don't have some reason that you don't want to subscribe to my channel, like there is somewhere I could improve, please let me know where I could improve. I will definitely work on it to improve my channel. I know I am a new YouTuber. A lot of improvements would be required on my channel. It's not like just like that I can just be a star and all that. I would need to improve on my channel, and I will definitely work on it. Please do leave a comment if you haven't subscribed to my channel where I can improve. I will work on it, and next time when you come across my channel, I'm definitely sure you will find the improvements. So that's it for today guys. Until my next video, take care. Bye bye. Love you all.